All right, time for some Monday birthdays, and we begin in Hepler, Kansas with Case Monty celebrating birthday number 4. Happy birthday, Case.
And we've got Jordan Rattery turning 5 years old this year. What a cute smile there in Frontenac.
And Shelby Humble turning 9 in McCune. Shelby's birthday was on Sunday, so a very happy birthday to you, and that means you get to celebrate all week long. Just tell your parents.
Yeah, in Farlington, Milan Schupak celebrating birthday number 10 this year. She's growing up, already 10 years old.
And we've got Cruz Harrell over in Pittsburgh celebrating birthday number 11. A very happy birthday to you, Cruz.
All right, happy birthday, Cruz. And Chloe Schartz celebrating birthday number 13 this year. Hope it's a great one for you, Chloe, with love from mom, dad, brother, and the rest of the family.
And we've got Andrea Scagno turning 26. A very happy birthday to you, Andrea.
All right, we got a little belated birthday wish out there for Drew Cook. This is our morning show producer, Karenza's hubby. I guess his birthday was Friday, but somebody might have forgot to put it on.
That's what I've heard.
Happy birthday. I'm sure you had a wonderful birthday weekend, Drew.
And we've got JD Beasley over in Altoona celebrating birthday number 40. JD is the gentleman there wearing the Captain America shield shirt. Happy birthday, JD.
All right. And Randy Black's turning 52 years old this year. Happy birthday to Randy in Carthage with love from his family.
And we've got Michael Tubaugh celebrating birthday number 64 in Jasper. Michael, a very happy birthday to you.
Up in Bourbon County, Steve Cisney celebrating birthday number 70. There he is with a little throwback pic. Awesome.
And we've got Pam Allen Gordato celebrating birthday number 75 in Columbus. Pam, a very happy birthday to you.
And all the way out in La Russell, Kansas, Mark and Crystal Johnson are celebrating their 10th wedding anniversary this year. And Mary Price, happy birthday to you in Columbus.
And of course, we love to see this list grow, and so Tanya Bach has all the answers for how you can help us make this list grow, right?
All right, and remember, get your birthdays to us at least by 3 p.m. the day before the birthday, preferably more than 24 hours before would be nice. And you can send them to either emails at birthdayswithans@KOAMTV.com or birthdayswithans@KOAMNewsNow.com. Include all the details, and we love to see those pics. And you can share their age too. We'll have fun with that.
Absolutely, we will. And while you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get some great deals from local businesses. All you need to do is go to KOAMNewsNow.com and click on the Mornings tab, and you can get to that birthday club. And by the way, did I mention you also get a message from your friends here at KOAM on your birthday? So make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club by going to KOAMNewsNow.com.